Hello friends, I'm Mr. UG Money, and today I'm to show you how to increase video RAM on any Windows PC or laptop with integrated Intel graphics. Stay on until the end, so that you won't miss a step. Do not forget to subscribe to Mr. UG Money. So first update the driver software by right-click on this PC symbol, and then click Properties. Then click Device Manager. Go on and press Display Adapters. You will see Intel RHD graphics. Right-click on the Intel RHD graphics, press Update Driver Software. Just click the first option for an automatic search of the updated driver software. Hold on for a few seconds for the search and updates to complete. So the best driver software for your device is already installed. So close all these tabs. Right-click the Windows Start button and click Run. Type regedit. Regedit is regedit. Then press OK. This displays the Registry Editor Control tab. H key classes root, H key current user, H key local machine, H key users, H key current config. Note: making changes in the Registry Editor can harm the system, so be very mindful of what you edit in the Registry Editor. Click H key local machine. This presents a kind of subfolders in the Registry Editor. Click Software. This presents more numerous subfolders. Right-click on Intel. This presents a menu next to Intel. Choose New. This presents a different menu next to New. Press key. This generates a new key file under Intel. Rename the key GMM. However, it will be named new key number 1 by default. Just rename the key GMM in capital letters. Right-click GMM, the key you just generated. Right-clicking presents the menu. Select New. This presents the menu. Click DORD. 32-bit value. This generates a new value in GMM. Rename the value dedicated segment size without spacing the words. Each letter starting each word should be a capital letter. Double-click on dedicated segment size. The new value you just generated. Double-clicking on it will display a tab. Click hexadecimal. If your RAM is 2 GB, type 256. 4 GB, type 512. 8 GB, type 1024. 16 GB, type 2048. To check your PC RAM, Right-click this PC symbol. Then click Properties. So my PC RAM is 4 GB. Then I will type 512. Click OK and you're done. Then restart your computer. And now you have increased your video RAM on your Windows PC or laptop with integrated Intel graphics. However, if you want to know more about your PC or laptop with no-cost strategies or tips, I have included recommended videos for you in the description box, to help you with your PC or laptop's performance. Comment anything that you didn't understand, so that I can make a video about it. That's it for today. Thank you for watching. Do not forget to subscribe to Mr. UG Money, like and share for more notifications.